Fire in the hole! Let's cook some chicken wings! Stay tuned! Chicken wings, hot dogs and bologna, beef and macaroni, chilling with my homies. Hey, welcome to my backyard. I'm so sorry about the singing, but my little granddaughter sings that song incessantly. She can't hear the word chicken wings, which is what we got here today, without singing that dumb song. Let me tell you what, chicken wings have gotten to be the most expensive meat on the market. These are $3.99 a pound, $10 for 10 wings. I cut them into drums and flats just because, you know, it makes a little bit nicer presentation. But otherwise, I don't really care. I'll eat anything. I love chicken wings. I'm sorry about the price of them. $10 for a pound of wings. I don't know if it's a pound, but well, $10 if it's 3 pounds, $10. It's $1 a wing. It's too much money. Anyway, what we're going to do is what we always do. We're going to hit it with some Sang stir-fry oil. That's what I always do. I hit everything with that. Sang stir-fry oil all over my chicken wings. I already washed them with white vinegar to get all the bad gunky off of them. You know what I'm saying? So we hit them with some Sang stir-fry oil. It smells so good. You can smell the garlic in there. And we'll just toss them around a little bit. There's a little bit of that white vinegar left over in there. The other thing I want to do is put some baking powder on them. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of baking powder on the wings because that will help them crisp up on the barbecue grill. So we're going to sparsely sprinkle them. Sparsely sprinkle. Try saying that 10 times fast. Sparsely sprinkle them with some baking powder. And like I said, the baking powder will draw the moisture out of the wings as they're cooking, and it will help them to crisp up on the grill. Now here's something you didn't think you'd see me using. This is Kevin from Man Kitchen Recipes. This is his spicy SPG. This stuff is awesome. I couldn't believe it. We had a little shootout a couple of weeks ago with Kevin's rub and my rub on some chicken. And then I tried this on something. I can't remember what I put it in, but even my wife liked it. I mean, she doesn't like anything spicy. Look at the color of that stuff. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful rub. Kevin, you really hooked it up with the spicy SPG. I gotta tell you, it's awesome. It's awesome. I don't know if Kevin's selling this or if you have to beg him for it, like I did. He gave some to my buddy Michael from Michael's Home Cooking. I haven't heard from Michael yet about how good it was. But anyway, yeah, oh man, you can see the pepper in that. And apparently it's got some paprika. I think it's got some sugar in it. But I'll tell you what, it's awesome. Spicy SPG. Look at the color of those wings. Okay, I'm going to get them in my rotisserie basket, get them spinning on the grill, and I'll show you what that looks like. And of course, we'll make the obligatory spinning meat video. And then we're going to make this hot honey chipotle sauce for these wings. So stay tuned. Oh man, that rub is awesome. Look at the beautiful color of that stuff. Look at those wings spinning around and around in the smoke and the fire. They're going to be so good. They'll probably be good just with the rub on them. But we're going to put a hot honey chipotle sauce on them that's going to kick these up notches unknown. So enjoy my spinning meat, and we're going to give something away at the end of this video, so stay tuned, okay? Bye. The wings are done, and I got to tell you, they look good enough to eat already without anything on them. But we're going to make this hot honey chipotle sauce for them. What I got is some chipotles in adobo sauce. Comes in a can, 10-ounce can, and we're just going to put that in my mini food chopper. These chipotles, looks like I should have brought a small spoon out here. I might not be able to get them out of the can. Oh, let's get them out of there. Come on, there you go. Chipotle peppers are just jalapeno peppers that have been roasted, and they're in that adobo sauce. Let me move that out of the way so you can see it. They're in an adobo sauce. Then I've got, if you remember, I made some hot honey. This is my hot honey. It's got a chipotle pepper, not a chipotle, but a habanero and a jalapeno pepper in it. And this is some really good stuff. It's nice, and it's got a nice hot flavor, but it's still sweet because it's honey. I'm going to put about, I don't know, I don't want the peppers to go in there, so I got to hold it with my finger. I'm going to put an equal amount of honey to chipotle pepper. But I got to show you what I got over here. I need a napkin, hang on. Yeah, here you go. My crazy son-in-law, Omi, grew some, I don't know if you can see that. That is a Trinidad scorpion pepper. That is one hot mother of a pepper. And I'll tell you what, this is some hot honey that he made, a little jar of hot honey. He put a Trinidad scorpion pepper in that hot honey. I haven't even tasted it because I'm scared of it. This Trinidad scorpion pepper is registers 2 million Scoville units on the Scoville scale. It's hotter than a ghost pepper, but you can't tell a difference between that and a ghost pepper because both of them will make you hurt when you're eating them. So if any of you out there, any endorphin heads out there who want to try this, I'll send this to one lucky subscriber who tells me he likes hot stuff, wants to try this hot honey. Let me know in the comments if you like hot honey, and I'll give that to you. I will gift that to one lucky subscriber. Meanwhile, we got to chew up these what are they? Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We're going to blend that up. Along with my hot honey. That should do it. And then we're going to pour that over the wings and mix them up a little bit. What a beautiful color. I was going to put some sriracha in there, but I don't really need it. Look at the color of that stuff. Let me get that chopper thingy out of there. And pour these chipotle peppers blended with hot honey all over my wings. Oh man. Now this is kind of warm, you know what I'm saying? It's got a bit of a bite to it. But it's not impossible. You know, you're not gonna break out in a cold sweat when you eat these, but it's gonna be spicy. We're just gonna toss those in that chipotle pepper and hot honey sauce, just like that. Just get them lightly tossed in that sauce, and they're almost ready to plate up. Look at that. Oh, they smell excellent. Let me tell you what, these smell wonderful. I can't wait to get a taste of one of these in my mouth. So let me get my peppers plated up and garnished up, and let me get a beer out here, and we'll take a taste of this. Stay tuned. Alright, the wings are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer, Bell's Amber Ale. I love Bell's Brewing Company from Comstock, Michigan. I think they're one of the premier brewing companies in America today. And they're brewing up this amber ale. And you know I like an IPA, but I'll take an amber ale any day. And I think this is going to be a beautiful beer, a wonderful beer. I'm going to pour it out very carefully so that I don't make a mess. And so that you can see the color of that beautiful brew. Bell's Amber Ale. What do you think, Rob? Bell's Amber Ale. You can get that at Publix, I think. It looks good. It's a beautiful color. Uh-oh, it's fogging up my lens. Anyway, let's take the sniff off it, Rob. Oh, it smells so good. It smells wonderful. It's got notes of fruit, I think, in it, but it's just beautiful. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? I'm ready. Ah, that's delicious. What a beautiful beer. The perfect complement to my Chipotle and hot honey chicken wings, of which I'm finna get one in my mouth right now. Stay tuned. Oh, that is so good. Oh my gosh. That's delicious. Wow. I guess you know it's all over my face and my fingers. Babies, that's my hot honey and Chipotle chicken wings. Oh, it's giving me a ha-ha. I'm getting a head rush from it. If you like that endorphin rush that you get from eating hot stuff, then leave a comment on this video. Tell me how much you'd like to try that scorpion pepper hot honey. I don't think you'll like it, but you might. Maybe you like hot stuff. This is just right for me. Just the right amount of heat. Just the right amount of deliciousness. Let me tell you what, babies, that's my video. What do we always say? We always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see my drinking partner, Rob, the barbecue pit dog. Rob's dog, Duke, is going to be the new Budweiser dog. And you know what? I got a surprise for all you Budweiser people out there. I'm going to do something with some Budweiser soon. You'll see. Anyway, yeah, that's my video. Hot Chipotle, hot honey. That hot honey is stuck to my lips. You know what I mean? Oh, it's so good though. I'll tell you what, it's a good kind of heat. Anyway, that's my video. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Oh, pardon me. Bell's Amber Ale is delicious. You're gonna need about a gallon of that to go with those wings. Anyway, we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.